Hi fellow mages, today we will be making a magic potion pendant, so let's get started. First you need an empty glass mini bottle, save the cork for later. Then roll out a thin piece of brown polymer clay using a roller or pasta machine. Gently press the bottom of the bottle to the clay. With a cutting tool, cut around a circular shape. And it doesn't need to be perfect. Place the piece on the bottom of the bottle and adjust it with the help of your fingers. Prepare another thin piece of clay and cut narrow equal strips. This is to make the leather cover strips of the potion. You can make this into any design you like. Silicone tools will help you shape the strips. Don't be shy to use them a lot. Take a piece of aluminium foil and roll it into a ball. This will make a cool rough leather effect on the strips. Oh, I forgot, with a ball tool, hide the seams of the strips. For the metal pins, make tiny balls of silver clay and place them anywhere you like on your design. I added an extra strip to my design. I thought it needed an extra something. After the piece is baked and cooled down, use black acrylic paint to coat the entire piece. This will give an antique effect to the bottle. Oh, and try to avoid painting the glass. Before the paint dries, use a baby wipe to remove excess paint. This step is optional, but if you want to add some highlights to the piece, you can use copper and silver metallic acrylic paints. I think I just find excuses to use metallic effects anywhere, really. After everything is dried up, fill half of the potion with transparent liquid glue. Any brand is okay. You can use food dye instead of resin dye. Only a couple of drops are needed. Screw the pin onto the cork tightly and use UV resin to secure it in place. In order to avoid mold building up on the cork, coat it with a little bit of UV resin. And now we're ready for the final step. This is optional. Add a layer of matte glaze on your design for extra protection. And here it is, your own mana potion. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Oh, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I would really appreciate feedback and comments from you. Thank you.